Hi everyone. So I'm coming up with kind of practice session on my YouTube channel. Okay, and you have to be a part of this practice session, right? So these practice sessions are going to be for electronics and communication, as well as if you belong from electrical engineering or instrumentation, right? So what are the common subject, right? You can also be a part and you can have a practice, right? So what I'm going to do here is I will be taking a couple of questions, or you can say around 50 questions, okay, from each topics, okay, from the gate syllabus, right? And we will solve live, okay, in front of you, so you will be benefited. So I'm going to start from the subject. See, I usually divide gate ECE in two part, right? I'm talking about 23, right? So we have got two sets of subject, right? The block 1, right? And the block 2, okay? In block 1, I always keep your network theory, right? Your control system, you can say TS, right? Control system. And then your signal and system, and then digital, right? You can say digital electronics plus CO, okay? And in block 2 I always gave which are my favorite, okay, what I have been dealing, okay, since many years: EDC, okay, analog and communication, and EMT, you can say electromagnetics, right? So what I'm going to do here is I will be taking up various questions, right, from each topics, from each chapters, okay, around, you can say, very good questions, okay, from each topics, each chapters, and I will be solving live in front of you, right? So you might learn you know good techniques, okay, how to solve questions in the gate examination, and those kind of question also you might expect in your in your you can say in your in gate 2023 as well, right? So this practice session is gonna be very beneficial now, as we have only 150 days, right? So we have got only 150 days now, okay, and from next month you can begin your test series, right? You can start your test series. So practice with me, okay? So I will be coming live, and I will be taking up questions, okay? So my source of question is gonna be from a different textbook, right? So different textbook I will be exploring, right? Textbook, okay? So I will be taking question from, suppose I'm solving network theory, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take questions from, you can say, SADQ and plus Kimberly, or you can say Hayat and Kimberly. Okay, so I will take question from here, or we can also go for some of the questions from ESC, right? So we might take question from ESC, right? If I will find something which is good question, okay, not easy question I'm going to talk, okay, like finding Laplace transform of u of t. I'm not going to take those kind of questions, right? Because those kind of questions are not expected in the gate examination, right? Yeah, so you have to practice with me, okay? So you have to be coming up live, okay, and you have to share these sessions among everyone, right, so that everyone could learn, okay, what are the various techniques we have, okay, and the content is going to be completely innovative and new, okay, that these sessions would enforce you to think, okay, enable you to think logically, okay, and these sessions will eliminate these session will eliminate the phobia from you of any kind of subject, right? So there are various subject, okay. The subjects already I have discussed here, right? They are network theory, control system, signal system, and okay. So from each subject, I can say, and from each topic I'm gonna take around 50 questions, okay. I will start from the very basics, and I will see from the very basic what are the question your gate in the gate examination can be asked, right? Okay. So I'm gonna share my complete experience, okay, complete experience, whatever my analysis speaks, right? So you will be certainly benefited, right? And if you are ready really for GATE 2023, already the application form is open. You might have filled up application form, right? And now your prep is also might be at peak. So you can practice with me. I have told you that the source of question is gonna be the textbook, okay, or you can say PYQs or ISRO PYQ, you can say, or ESC PYQs, or textbooks, exercises problems, okay, which are relevant. I'm not going to take any irrelevant problems, okay, because I know what kind of question will be asked in next year based on the PYQs, okay, because the trend would be same, okay, and the conceptual question will be asked. They will not ask you to have the formula kind of a question where the information will be given and you have to plug information. And okay, what you guys are addicted to, right? You guys always look for some formula, okay? So given a question and okay, so which formula we can apply over there, right? So you guys always look for those kind of a thing. So in my session I'm going to bring variety of questions where you have to bring I mean, so that you could bring new experience right now, and you will not be regretting, okay, from these sessions, okay. So I will not take one question, I will take multiple question, right? So if you would be having any kind of question, you can also shoot, okay. So if you have any kind of questions, if you have any doubt, okay, in any subject, in any subject, so you can shoot, okay, shoot your message, okay, in my WhatsApp, your message, okay, in my WhatsApp, okay. Okay, but your doubts should be relevant. Your doubts should not be irrelevant, right? I like to solve doubts which are relevant, okay? And those doubts should not be from very basics, okay? I mean, those questions should be relevant according to current pattern. Don't ask me any question from H parameter of H parameter model based questions from analog circuit. That irritates me completely. In fact, whenever any educator use H parameter, while solving the gate question, of 10 years, right? I don't like those things, okay? So always if a question sounds logical and conceptual, suit me, okay? Just send to me, I'm gonna solve that live, okay? So everything is going to be live, and this should be the bilateral conversation. There should be bilateral one-to-one, okay? So you can also post your comment, okay, which subject you want exactly, okay. I'm gonna start from network analysis, and then I will go to signal and system, then I will go to control system. So all those questions which are really relevant, okay. So all these subjects I'm going to discuss, okay. There are okay, and I have a plan for engineering math, okay, engineering math plus aptitude, okay. So I'm launching engineering math plus aptitude very soon, okay. So I will take chapters, okay, whatever topics are given, right, and I will brief about them for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will take up few problem, okay, based on those topics, okay, so that you could cover each and every corner of the syllabus, right? Because aptitude and math comprises of around 28 marks around, right? And for 72 marks your core is asked, right? Okay, so be ready now. It's time where you need to have a wonderful practices, okay. You don't have to worry about now, and I'm always ready for next 6 months, next 5 months, I can say, right? So this session is gonna be very helpful to make your problem solving strong. Okay, so I'm gonna focus, and I'm also going to start problem solving session for computer science. Problem solving, sessions for computer science. Okay, Okay. So first of all, in computer science, I'm gonna take up, you can say digital electronics or digital circuit or digital logic, we call it. And then we will take up mathematics, okay? So engineering mathematics will be there. And then discrete maths and all, okay? Entire core computer science, right? So after this, after electronics and communication, electrical engineering and instrumentation, I will be starting computer science as well, right? So if you have any friend from computer science, you can also refer my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my personal YouTube channel where only the content will be discussed, right? And you guys will be benefited, right? So I'm targeting here that if you are really serious, okay, I just want 5,000 serious candidates, right? Out of, you can say, 10 lakh. I just want to support 5,000, right? 5,000 are serious, serious candidates, you can say, serious candidates, okay, hardworking candidate, you can say, hardworking one, okay. Only there are 5,000, so those guys can join me, okay. And you know, so we are going to, this time we are going to make the revolution, right? I'm going to start the problem solving session, right? So there are few books which I would like to talk about is for computer science. Sorry, for electronics and communication, right? What are the books I'm going to follow? So if I talk about the block two, right? My favorite. So the very first topic, very first subject is devices, right? So from for electronic devices, I'm gonna take either Streetman, right, or you can say Nieman. Okay. Only I will be taking up what? Only I will be taking up problems, not the theory from there. Remember, Streetman, Nieman, or SMG, right? You can say. And for analog circuit, okay, I like to take problem from Cedra, okay, and Razavi. Okay. These are the two my favorite books which I have been exploring since many years. And third one is your communication system. So communication, the book I'm gonna solve for you is first is going to be SOM series, right? And then BP Lathi, okay. So from here I will be taking up problems, right? And which are most expected problems, okay. I mean those problems which till now did hasn't been asked, right? Concept hasn't been asked because each year you will find couple of concepts are new, right, for everyone. And there all the educators struggle, okay. You might have seen when they give solution, memory based solutions, so they struggle, right? Okay, because they do not update those, their contents are obsolete, right? I will reveal also that who are they who are giving obsolete content. Let the time come first, okay. Still the time is not here to talk about all those things, right? So I will be revealing all those things. I will be revealing my experience, of the ad tech across India very soon, right, after 6 months, right? So and the fourth one is what? EMFT, right? You can say electromagnetics. So this book I'm gonna take up is Hayat, okay. From here I will be taking a few questions. In fact, I will frame questions, okay. I will frame questions according to the gate pattern, and then I will discuss. I will not take directly the exercise and I will show you so that you could get phobia in your mind that, oh my god, I don't know these things, right? So I will select few problem and I will frame them according to the gate language, okay, according to the gate pattern, and then we will solve, okay. So that those problems should not take more than 40 second, 1 minute, right, or 2 minutes, you can say, if that problem appears to be very long, okay. So Hayat plus, I will be taking a problem from SADQ. Okay, you can also expect some Jordan and Balmain, right? They have various books. Okay, so I will be taking a problem from here, or SOM series also here. It might work. Okay, so this is my block two, and these are the 4 subjects which I have been teaching since many years, right? And so I'm going to share my entire experience with you all on this YouTube channel in the form of problem solving, right? So I'm not going to discuss theory, right? Because I make assumption that you guys have prepared theory part, right? So I will be only sharing my concept, you know, like how to solve problems, right? So the problem I will take up and discuss here, right? And you have to help me as well, right? uh, and the block 1 is the subject like network theory. As I told you that I'm gonna take problem from SADQ and plus Hayat and Kimberly, right? And you can say from SOM series if I will find. Okay, so these are the books I'm gonna refer, and for signal and system I will be taking a problem from SOM series, okay, plus Oppenheim, which is my favorite book. Okay, I have been using. If you're not good at signal system, so don't think that, I mean, don't worry about communication system. Okay, okay, yeah, but you must be good at signal system. At least you must know what is the Fourier transform of any signal, how to find the frequency component and everything. Okay, you need not to become expert in signal system to understand communication. This is many people say that if you're not good at signal system you cannot understand communication, right? But it is not the case. You need to know what is signal. You must be at least basics. Okay, you must have kind of a basics, right? Okay, so Fourier transform and all properties of Fourier transform, some of the properties like modulation property. Okay, so that you could decide what you know everything, right? You can discuss about bandwidth. Okay, so in signal system these are the basic thing. Okay, so please make sure that these things should be covered. Like many people say also that if you're not good at network theory, right, you cannot understand analog circuit, right? It is again one kind of misleading terms. You must be good at, see, if you're from electrical engineering or electronics and communication engineering background candidate, so I everyone expect that you must be familiar with basic sets of laws such as KVL, Ohm's law. Okay, some sort of theorems like Thevenin theorems, superposition theorems, Norton. Okay, kind of passive elements and active elements, all these things you must know. Okay, and we will take up next is control system. So I'm just going to take a problem from VC Kuo and Ogata, you can say, right? Ogata plus SOM series. So I will be solving problem from these books, but let me tell you one thing. I will solve problem according to the gate, the way in the gate examination the problem is asked. Okay, I will remove all the irrelevant information given in the question. Okay, and the next is digital electronics, or you can say digital logic, or you can say digital circuits, right? So I will be solving question from Maurice Mano, you can say MM, and I will be taking problem from Anand Kumar. It is also one of the very good book, Anand Kumar, right? So these are my plans, right? And for aptitude, for quantitative aptitude. Okay, so I'm going to bring one series, right? So I will be solving problem of level 1, right? From Arun Sharma book. Okay, Arun Sharma CAT book for aptitude, right? So I'm going to revise all the important concepts. Okay, what you have already studied in class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, right? And you have forgotten, right? So if you would be able to recall the ratio, the proportion, the time, distance, okay, time, speed, and distance, okay, alligation, series, sequence, okay, geometry, okay, polygons, okay, triangle, circle, everything, right? Area, concepts, all these things. So we will only touch the level 1 of the aptitude, quantitative aptitude book, okay, which is very popular, okay, Arun Sharma book. Okay, so I'm going to pick up question from there. And for engineering mathematics, I'm gonna pick up okay, and you can also prepare English, okay, from the book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Okay, and engineering mathematics, I'm not going to pick up any book. Okay, I will be only telling you brief concepts. Okay, and then followed by some PYQs, right? So you don't need any book for engineering mathematics. Okay, you just need a little brush up. Okay, and then problems. I hope this is clear to everyone. So these are my plans for you. Okay, so let's catch up from tomorrow. Okay, let's catch up from tomorrow, and we'll start problem solving session, right? Problem session. The very first subject is going to be network theory, right? You can shoot your doubt. Always I will be ready to solve live, not in the offline mode, remember. So let's make YouTube where we can learn problem solving techniques, right? And let's meet tomorrow. And my session would be always from, you can say, from 9 to after 9 only. You can say 9 to 2 a.m. You can say, okay, 9 p.m. to 2. Okay, on weekends, sorry, weekdays, not weekends. And you can expect whole day, okay, on weekdays. Sorry, on weekends. So be ready now. So I'm going to devote only 1 month, okay, for you all. And let's see what result we are going to get, right? If we are going to spend 1 month, okay, on problem solving, so let's see how much we are going to get improved, right? So be ready with your pen and paper, pen and one A4 sheets, right? And solve question with me live. Okay, I will bring question. In fact, I will not give you much time to solve. Along with me, you have to solve simultaneous, because I don't have that much time that I will show you the question and then I will wait for your answer. I'm gonna just discuss, right? So let's meet, guys, and share this session, in fact this channel, among everyone. Okay, so that everyone could be all together and sit for problem solvings. Okay, so let's meet in tomorrow's session. Okay, and along with variety of